everything that has happened to the film post the release in 2018 is it's only the people who have loved the film. People coming out of the theaters with so much joy and excitement, like people slapping you just out of joy. Arey, kya film banai? Laila Majnu, the first time that happened after they did a nationwide hunt, and when I asked Sajid what was the reason, he said मैं मर्द ढूंढ रहा था और मुझे तेरे अलावा कोई मिला नहीं बट काश तेरी शक्ल अच्छी होती नहीं है उससे ज्यादा बढ़ावा देना भी नहीं चाहिए एक्टर्स को हम सब बहुत जल्दी सर पे चढ़ जाते हैं
तुम्हारी भूख किस चीज की है
one strong desire is to take Indian stories to the world. At the age of 19, back in early 2000s, coming from a family who no one had ever traveled to a foreign country, and I decided to go and do films and acting in New York, which was absurd for a lot of people.
Just to fill me, just to fill me.
Welcome to Just to Film Me, Avinash.
Thank you, Rohini. Thank you.
यार, can I say this that we are enjoying your success as fans, as people who rooted for you. बड़ा मजा आ रहा है.
Thank you, यार. ये तो मतलब of all the people in the industry who've been around with me, who've been friends for such a long time, I see all of them celebrating, and it's just great joy, yaar.
It's
अच्छा
a
लगता
lot
है.
of fun.
It just feels like हम सब साथ ही हैं, you know. It just that's the kind of feeling I have.
Absolutely.
And in this industry where people say a sense of community is very difficult to find, I have that blessing as well.
I remember 2018 when Laila Majnu happened.
Right.
It just shifted. Like the world broke. Because there was a huge audience that was rooting for this film, and who watched the film and would keep coming to me and saying, like my producer Jo, if you remember, my God, she's one of Avinash's biggest fans. Even yesterday when I put up a post with you, she was just like, "Hi, मुझे आदमी बहुत पसंद है." But I truly believe, looking back now, ये film re-release भी हुई है by the way, बहुत recently, and it made more money than it did in the initial run.
Yeah, it did.
How do you attribute this? Like, have you thought about this at all?
I mean, we have. I mean, as Sajid and I have sat down, it's you wonder, right, where it has come from, how it has translated to this. We always knew that there is a lot of love for. I mean, I definitely did because Sajid wasn't on social media, and I feel it's like, you know, it keeps rotating in the circle, and it kind of then overspills.
Yeah.
So I think this is like an overspill that happened,
Yes,
which is
yes.
so it's a love that has overspilled, and thankful. I'm really thankful. It's like the people who have seen the film, who have loved the film, they are the ones who have made the re-release happen. Everything that has happened to the film post the release in 2018 it's only the people who have loved the film.
What a year it's been for you. Okay, we're sitting in December, by the way.
It's been a good year.
It's been a damn good year, guys. Okay, because here you are. You started the year with Madgaon Express. Then Laila Majnu re-released.
Yeah.
Okay, and that was unprecedented. Something you couldn't have planned for.
Absolutely.
You've just had a release in the form of Sikandar Ka Muqaddar, and that has been such a fun film to watch. Mehta Boys is coming very, very soon. It's been a good year. You've had OTT, you've had theatrical, not once but twice.
Yep.
Think about the year with me loudly. Like ye saal, if you had to look
Yeah,
back,
so I mean,
kaisa raha?
it started off with Madgaon Express, and again, my first theatre experience, I can say, where I saw Houseful Boats for the first time.
I know.
I saw people coming out of the theaters with so much joy and excitement, like people slapping you just out of joy. Arey, kya film banai hai? You know, and that's an experience that you really want to recreate. You want to just, that's one thing that really came very strongly for me was, this is what I want to do. I want to create that kind of joy and excitement when the audiences come out. I mean, this is one of the things I would definitely want to do. And then Laila Majnu happened out of nowhere. It was absolutely, like throughout that month, it did more than 50 days in the theaters. At this point of time, when the film is available on OTT, when it's available on another platform, it was just. So we thought it's divine intervention. We have no control over this. This is out of something that we have no control over, to just put us in history books out of nowhere.
Nowhere,
So yeah, that happened, and then I've been wanting to work with Neeraj Pandey for the longest time in my life.
But you did work with him.
So he was the showrunner of Khaki. He didn't direct it.
Correct.
He was part of the writing, yes,
Correct.
but he had not directed it. To be under his direction with Sikandar Ka Muqaddar, and now that the film has released, almost 4 or 5 days, and the amount of the love that has come to me for the part, so much appreciation for your work. It's just great. So theatrical. There is
OTT. And there's a
And,
re-release. What fun, baby! What fun! What fun!
कौन ही है यार?
बहुत ही बढ़िया है बहुत I'm enjoying that's why I said
Absolutely.
right in the beginning that I'm absolutely enjoying your success. I watched Mehta Boys and I know that I can't talk too much about it at this point because it would not be fair, but let me just tell you one thing. It's a film you have to watch. Like मैं इतना ही बोलूँगी. How about that?
Thank
You know,
you.
because there is
Thank
an audience who watched it at IFFI. It had its gala premiere at IFFI, and मतलब लोगों ने देखी है, and the reviews, you know, could come out anytime. But please watch this film as well. How are you looking at yourself at this point as an actor? Because I know that यार अच्छे एक्टर तो तुम हमेशा से थे.
यार ये क्वेश्चन ना मैंने ओवर द इयर्स अपने आप से बहुत बार पूछा है
है
तो
ना?
मुझे इसका सही जवाब पता नहीं कि व्हाट शुड आई द ओनली वे आई स्टार्टेड वर्किंग ऑन माई सेल्फ और केप्ट पुशिंग माई सेल्फ वाज सेइंग तो वो है जो सब कुछ कर सकता है यू आर समवन हु कैन डू इट ऑल and that's all I stand for. I am someone who says you want me to do this, I can do this. I don't think I can at this point choose to say this is what I want to be. um, I've always felt, you know, earlier as aspiring actors we would have friends sit together and talk about ki, the conventional heroes that we had in films, and this was one conversation we would say to each other, said ki, if you only cater to being a hero, you would be doing a disservice to your talent.
Lovely.
You know, so it's not just that, and I think also over a period of time the audience has evolved to, or probably I should ask the audience to say, would you want your heroes with more character? You know,
Correct.
do they, is there something more to them than their charm and charisma and persona? So that's what I have looked forward to. And it's all of that. You go and entertain in cinemas, you go and go on OTTs and make sure that you reach out to 200 countries, take your local stories to the world.
Correct.
That's an opportunity there. You have theatricals that can reach out to the entire country and create that kind of joy and excitement in them. And the fact that you're capable of doing all of it.
Correct.
So I feel I'm just kind of getting really confident.
किस चीज की भूख है इस वक्त?
इस वक्त ना मुझे
Like I'll tell you very honestly. I spoke to Varun Dhawan recently when we were doing Citadel promotions, and he's very honest about it. He said कि मैं मर रहा था यार एक एक्शन फिल्म करने, और मैं आदि सर के पास गया और आदि सर ने मुझे कहा कि भाई तेरे लिए इतना बजट नहीं है हमारे पास. And I turned around and I said, you know what? From the outside, you can turn around and say वरुण धवन डायरेक्टर का लड़का, उसको तक एक रियलिटी चेक मिल रही है जहाँ पर कोई कह रहा है कि तेरे लिए इतना बजट नहीं है. And I was like, where does this end really, right? How do you, so तुम्हारी भूख किस चीज की है?
So, उसमें एक चीज हो, जैसे मुझे हमेशा ये भी लगता था कि जितना काम मुझे मिला है पोस्ट लैला वजू, so none of my films really have broken a ceiling, right? None of them have reached out to the entire country. But the best and the biggest of the producers have thought of giving me these opportunities. And I have always, I mean, I'm so grateful. But I also ask कि यार कितने लोगों को मिलता है? Which is why it's, I'm really कि तो फिर मैं कभी कभार अपने आप को कह देता हूँ यार तेरे पास टैलेंट है, तेरे पास इतना स्किल है, इसलिए शायद तुझे मिलता है, you know, whatever. But there's so many people who haven't.
Yeah.
So I don't know कि वो कल क्या कैसे किसी और का क्या कोई क्या देखेगा आप में जो आपको ये opportunity देगा. It is beyond you. If you ask me, I have one thing that I truly want is I want to reach out to every individual who watches films. Somehow, if I'm able to connect to or my films are seen by everyone, so that reach is something that I'm really looking for, because I've not been able to create that for myself. I know I have spaces, but why is...
You have intense love in pockets.
Absolutely. So I want to create that kind of...
You want a Pushpa 2.
Well, if that, I mean, who doesn't?
Who doesn't?
Who doesn't want it?
Absolutely, absolutely.
But yeah, that's one thing. And then if I push myself more, I really feel like one strong desire is to take Indian stories to the world. I mean, when I went to New York to train myself, there was something that made me go do that at the age of 19, back in early 2000s, coming from a family who no one had ever traveled to a foreign country, and I decided to go and do films and acting in New York, which was absurd for a lot of people. So something that
Also, you come from absolutely no background in
Absolutely, no,
acting. दूर दूर तक नहीं है
बिल्कुल.
कोई जो एक्टर हो या राइटर हो या कुछ भी हो.
बिल्कुल. So मुझे एक sense, you know, growing up, you had a sense that okay, globalization and the world is spreading, and how
हाँ, पेप्सी कोक यहाँ पे मिल रहा था।
मतलब तो
इसका
यहाँ
मतलब
पे
है कि
सारे
हम भी कहीं जा सकते हैं, बिल्कुल।
we were always watching
Yeah,
films
yeah.
from outside the
हम
world.
फ्रेंड्स देख रहे थे यार।
Absolutely.
बिल्कुल,
तो
बिल्कुल।
हमारी कहानियां क्यों नहीं पहुंच रही? आज हम बैठकर कोरियन ड्रामास देख रहे हैं, के-पॉप देख रहे हैं, कपड़े, ये और मैं हर जगह बोलता हूँ, हमारी कहानियां क्यों नहीं देखे? We have such a flourishing culture, we have such flourishing industry. So that's one thing again, वो थोड़ी सी टीस है मन में. So that is one strong desire.
लवली।
But yeah, you also want to be saying, yeah, मुझे भी नाचना है, मुझे भी
बिल्कुल
मस्ती
यार,
करनी है. I want to
हाँ।
reach out to the world. I want to be celebrated.
Yeah,
And
absolutely.
once you experience that joy, it's even more like you know, it's like an appetizer. When you see people celebrating with you, it makes you.
मेन कोर्स लाओ, जल्दी से लाओ।
जी हाँ, बिल्कुल.
Have you ever asked a director or a producer why they cast you? And have you analyzed for yourself why do people cast an Avinash Tiwari? It is so interesting because I'll tell you why. From the outside, there is a bheed yaar of actors. And honestly, as you rightly said, the opportunities जो दी जाती है, we can't turn around and say we're not lucky. We are lucky.
Absolutely.
But it's not luck. It's also, it's a design. Someone chose
Absolutely.
you.
Absolutely.
Have you ever asked a producer or director?
A couple of times, like I will start with say Leila Vajju, the first time that happened after they did a nationwide hunt, and when I asked Sajid what was the reason, he said मैं मर्द ढूंढ रहा था और मुझे तेरे अलावा कोई मिला नहीं. तो I said भाई ये जो तूने कह दिया ना,
क्या बात है? क्या बात है?
इस पे तो बस, but काश तेरी शक्ल अच्छी होती. ठीक है. So he was someone who said कि तू जितनी अपनी शक्ल छुपाएगा उतना तू लोगों को शायद पसंद आए.
He's just giving you tough love.
So that was the start for me. I asked Anvita, and she said, "You did. I just did one scene where I didn't even have a line." And he said, "You just looked up at this character, and that was it for me. I don't know what that is." I went to Bombay Meri Jaan. Shujat told me that you walked in the frame, और मुझे लगा कि यही
मिल गया मुझे, बिल्कुल.
तो खाकी. I didn't think I could.
Yeah.
So I'm asking Neeraj sir why, and he said, "What are you saying?" Like they're looking at me saying, "तुझे क्या? How can you?" I said, "नहीं, ये तो वो मैं कैसे, you know?"
Yeah.
But they were able to see it. I think what eventually my conclusion would be कि उनको ये जरूर लगता है कि यार ये बेचारा इतना भूखा है कि इसे दे दोगे तो पूरी जी जान डाल के
कर लेगा.
That he will. I think my one thing that probably I would want all my collaborators to probably support is that they would have complete belief in my integrity and that I would give it all.
I think so. I think
बाकी
so.
talent skill set तो सबके पास है, शायद वो चीज.
You're being very generous when you say talent सबके पास है, नहीं है. Opportunity शायद बहुत सारों को मिलता है, but you know when it comes to actually acting chops, I will never forget that scene is absolutely viral. आज भी reels बनते हैं of you looking at Leila and there is something in those eyes. I don't know how many times you've been asked this question, but you have to answer it. For me, तुम्हारी आँखों को उस scene में तुम कैसे? How did you make your eyes act?
I think it is Sayak Bhattacharya. He plays the camera in a certain angle that my eyes look like that. I don't want to take the credit for it. Wise man once told me, if somebody asks me how you do it, tell them it's talent.
It is talent.
बस
Of course
तो
it is
उतना ही,
talent.
बस.
This is your craft. यही
Yeah.
तो सीख के हम आते हैं और यही हमारा this is the job.
Yeah, this
So
is
you
the
were doing
job.
your job.
Absolutely.
Fantastic.
इतना ही है, उससे ज्यादा बढ़ावा देना भी नहीं चाहिए एक्टर्स को. हम सब बहुत जल्दी सर पे चढ़ जाते हैं, बहुत
मुझे
आसानी
बताओ
से.
ये एक्टर में और स्टार में तुमने कभी एनालाइज किया क्या फर्क है?
नहीं मतलब मुझे ये एक्टर स्टार वाला आज तक समझ भी नहीं आया कि what is the parameter of stardom? How do you make a sense of, and especially in today's time, so it's even more warped. But I do understand that there are people who get all kinds. यहाँ पे अगर 2 लोग खड़े हैं, हो सकता है 4 लोग इन्हें यहाँ पे प्यार कर रहे हो, है ना? 2 जगह पे कहीं आप चले जाओ तो कोई 10 लोग प्यार कर रहे हैं. Eventually we all get a lot of love, right? अब उसमें ये हो जाता है कि कौन कितना उसको मानने लग जाए. How much do you say, oh, this is love you're getting for Avinash Tiwari or Kes? Okay. And if you have this distinction that this is for Kes, and people who do have that understanding are probably, I don't know, actors या मतलब मेरे लिए more evolved, कि they have this distinction. When you flip and start believing that this is for Avinash Tiwari, then you are.
Wow.
Then you are.
I've asked this question to a lot of people and I've never got this answer, which is a very interesting answer, by the way, simply because you're saying that at some point they go beyond the characters and they start loving you.
Yeah.
And do you think that that's happened for you already?
I don't know. I think it's very limited
Nascent?
time for me to make that understanding. But right now, what I do understand, there is love for me. I think it's for the part that I have played. If it continues over a period of time, then probably I would say that मुझ में भी कुछ खासियत होगी
क्या
शायद.
बात है यार, क्या बात है. कभी अवार्ड स्पीचेस दिए हैं घर पे आईने के सामने?
नहीं, मैं एक्चुअली बड़ा स्ट्रेंज रहा यार. मैं शुरू से ना अपने आप को कभी वहाँ देखने, I used to get very uncomfortable with award functions, even when I didn't desire to be an actor. Now also, but I don't know. I've never felt like, नहीं, desire तो मैंने किया है. I can't deny that.
Correct.
I've absolutely desired to be there, but over a period of time, मुझे लगता है 95-96 में कुछ एक दो awards थे जो मैं जिनको चाहता था उनको नहीं मिला, तो मुझे लगने लगा कि ये सही नहीं
Oh,
है.
that's you and
know?
Amir Khan, two people.
So
95
actually,
की
it
बात
starts
करेंगे.
from there only. It
है
starts
ना?
from that very year.
I get it. I get it.
And then you start saying अच्छा, because you're an audience,
Also,
right?
you're invested. You're like,
Absolutely.
मेरे हीरो को नहीं मिला. I
So,
don't believe this.
It has absolutely. If I was,
It has stayed with you.
Yeah.
Amazing.
That's
Amazing.
how it's been.
I always ask actors that there are two schools. And one is the Nasir Saab ka school. Like, fantastic actor.
Right.
And the other school is, of course, Bachchan Saab.
Right.
Do you get to pick which school you want to
No,
be?
I love both of them. That's the whole point. You know, if I do a lot of hard work for something, someone can just walk in and grab your attention and deliver what is required.
Correct.
Everyone has their own ways of doing it. I am fascinated by both of them because one is absolute conviction.
Yeah.
I have never got a chance to work with Nasir sir, but I got a chance to work with Amitabh Bachchan. And, you know, I like, it's difficult to, one, look at him and not see so
The
many.
aura.
Yeah.
Absolutely.
And
you
know-
watch him, you see, and it's crazy how you're Sikandar ka Mukaddar and he's Mukaddar ka Sikandar.
just,
Like, wow.
And the conviction, he's just standing and looking into it. And the moment he starts talking, like every word that has come out of his mouth has so much weight. And if you look at Nasir sir, you feel that it's coming from somewhere. You know, it's like he's a medium and something else.
Yeah,
You
yeah.
know?
बिल्कुल.
And both of them have their own greatness. अब मुझे इसमें बैठकर कि
Choose नहीं करना है.
absolutely why? All I want is everything.
Oh, love it. Absolutely love it. More than anything else, I'm looking forward to a great 2025 with you. Can you tell us, okay, anything about the next year that's coming up, Avinash? We know Mehta Boys is coming. It's going to be on Prime.
Okay, I'm not gonna say anything. I'll just give you a one line of it. maybe.
Okay.
Okay. Who, what, where? It's a love story of a separating couple, and something that I read, which made me very uncomfortable and very pulpy at the same time. So that's what I start working on next, and I hope you have a good time when you see it.
I hope you have a good time at the
Absolutely,
movies.
I'm there.
I'm telling you, we're here for the era of Avinash Tiwari, but we've always been here. So this is for literally, this interview is for all those fans who stuck around with you since perhaps the first time they saw you. Do you want to end with a message for your fans?
I just want to thank all of them. I keep saying this. People say outsiders, blah blah blah. I've been working around for a long period of time, and I know what the new resurgence with Laila Majnu means to my career, to my profession, what it means to people around me. I know how much you guys have taken it personally in your hands to make sure that you express the love and you shout and scream and celebrate it. I just want to thank you guys. I really want you to know that every day that I go on from here on, it is dedicated to you guys because you guys have made it happen. I can go on and say that made by the people and for the people and make that happen for me because अपना कोई godfather नहीं है ना तुम्हारे अलावा.
That's so
Thank you.
true. That's so true. Congratulations.
Thank you.
And we're here for you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Hi, I'm Avinash Tiwari and I'm here on Just to Film Me.